Arlo is 20. He doesn't have many friends since he moved into a new community, and he feels misunderstood and rejected. The only one that understands him is JH56, his new online friend. JH56 is a great listener and provides the emotional support Arlo needs. He also makes him feel valuable. He promised Arlo that he is destined for a future full of meaning and purpose. Arlo can't wait for his mission. On one of his rare walks to the shop, Arlo hears on the radio a journalist named Mira, around his age, talking about violent extremism and how vulnerable young people can be exposed to online hate and propaganda, how they are manipulated by promises of a purposeful life and become an instrument to spread hate and violence. Arlo thinks about JH56. Who is he really? I don't even know. What are his intentions? Does he really care about me? What if he is using me? Back home, Arlo starts doing some research. He soon realizes that he is not the only one that was misled online. He then looks for information about Mira, and he learns that she is engaged in a UNESCO youth program to prevent violent extremism. This project gives young people the opportunity to strengthen their resilience and choose an alternative to violence. Curious, he reaches out to Mira. With her support and through the UNESCO project, he feels included and decides to create theater classes to talk about PVE with other young people and help them develop critical thinking, empathy, and conflict resolution skills. Today, 1 in 4 youth is affected in some way by violence or armed conflict. Nevertheless, all over the world, young people like Arlo are engaging in peace-building initiatives within their communities. In many cases, young people just need opportunities to strengthen their resilience and spaces for civic engagement to contribute to the prevention of violent extremism.